Harness your children's abilities and talents, not for them to fit into the world, but for the world to fit around them. Today, we're going to talk about acknowledging your child's abilities. One of the biggest things that a parent wants for their child is for them to be able to grow up and to achieve fully to their potentials. At the end of the day, as a parent, what you truly desire is that your child should be able to achieve the goals that they have for themselves, that they're able to even decide upon the goals that they would like to have for themselves. When they set these goals, they are in line with their interests, with their passions, with the things that they feel would be important to them. And at the end of the day, what you do truly desire is that you're able to impart them with the right kind of approach, the right attitude, the right kind of skills and abilities to be able to ensure that they're taking care of these aspects of their life. How you're going to do that is going to be by acknowledging the abilities that they do have. It requires that as a parent you provide them with the right kind of environment in which they can go ahead and explore what are their skill areas, what are their strengths, what is it that they like to do, how is it that they would like to shape the ways in which they're performing their activities, which means encouraging them to be able to go ahead and do things in a manner that is unique and individual to their own selves. A lot of times we have notions in our own mind about how we think an activity needs to be done, and sometimes we provide too much of scaffolding. We don't allow them to be able to try and see if there could be a different way of doing things, and this is where your role as a parent comes in, to allow them to try and see what would be their own creative way of exploring the environment, of being able to determine what their abilities are, what their interest areas are. When you have created that space for them, you're also giving them a lot of sense of joy, a lot of enjoyment, the ability to be able to make the most of the kind of space that they're occupying. And this is something which is very critical, because you want your children to be happy, you want them to be able to move forward in a way that it builds on their sense of self. What you want is that when they're exploring their environments, they're gaining a greater understanding of their abilities, of their skills. They're also developing a sense of who they are as individuals. It is that sense of worthiness, that self-esteem which is developing during this process, which is also going to contribute towards making them into confident people, in which they're able to engage with situations that will come across in their lifespans, whether it is in the context of their relationships, whether it is in the context of the work that they're doing, whether it is in any kind of space that they would be occupying in the future. They would know exactly how they can rely on their own selves. Where is it that they would require any support from an external source, because you have been able to ensure that during their growing up years they were able to develop a better understanding of these abilities, these strengths, these spaces where they would need to work towards bridging the gaps that do exist in their abilities and qualities that they do have. At the end of the day, as a parent, this is something which is going to be very critical, because what you want is for your child to be able to have a positive approach, a positive outlook towards things, to know that in the face of a difficult scenario they would be able to rely on at least certain aspects of their own self to be able to navigate those situations. And they would also know when is it that they need to seek help or support. This is what also ensures that they have the right kind of motivation in place, that they are able to keep themselves going even through difficult circumstances. They don't give up because they know that there is going to be a way forward. As a parent, as a result, what's most important is acknowledging those skills, because there is no other adult around them who will be able to do this for them in the best way possible. You are the ones who would be able to understand to the best where is it that your child does have a set of abilities, and your reinforcement of that, acknowledging it, praising it, reinforcing it, is what is going to ensure that your child is also able to learn to rely on them. They also know these are the things which would stand me in good stead in the long run, and would provide them with the right kind of confidence that you want for them, because at the end of the day you do want to raise your child to be a confident